Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. Let's get started. First, open Valorant. Click the settings icon. Then open settings. Go to the crosshair tab. Stay on primary. Choose any crosshair color you like. You can also use a custom color. Turn outlines on. Set outline opacity to 1. And outline thickness to 1. Now enable center dot. Set center dot opacity to 1. And center dot thickness to 1. Scroll down. Turn show inner lines off. Then turn show outer lines off. You now have a small dot crosshair. If you want a bigger dot, increase the center dot thickness. You can also turn outlines off if you prefer a cleaner look. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.